Welcome to your ultimate guide to effective workout routines. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, this video will help you create a workout plan tailored to your goals. Let's dive in. Before we start, it's crucial to identify your fitness goals. Are you aiming to lose weight, build muscle, increase strength, or improve overall fitness? Your goals will determine the type of exercises, intensity, and frequency of your workouts. For weight loss, focus on high-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT, and cardio exercises. To build muscle, incorporate strength training exercises like weightlifting and resistance training. For strength training, prioritize compound movements such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. And for general fitness, a balanced mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises is key. Now let's design your workout routine. Here are some key elements to consider. First, frequency. Determine how many days per week you can commit to working out. For beginners, start with 3 to 4 days a week. As you progress, you can increase the frequency. Next, duration. Each workout session should last between 45 minutes to an hour, including warm-up, main workout, and cool-down. Then, exercise selection. Choose exercises that target different muscle groups. For example, a full-body workout might include squats, push-ups, pull-ups, and planks. Finally, rest and recovery. Allow adequate rest between workouts to prevent overtraining and injury. Incorporate rest days and ensure you're getting enough sleep. Here are some sample workout routines tailored to different fitness goals. Beginner full-body workout, 3 days a week. Day 1, warm-up, 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, squats, 3 sets of 12 reps, push-ups, 3 sets of 10 reps, bent over rows, 3 sets of 12 reps, planks, 3 sets of 30 seconds, cool down, 5 to 10 minutes of stretching. Day 2, warm-up, 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, lunges, 3 sets of 12 reps per leg, dumbbell press, 3 sets of 10 reps, lat pull-downs, 3 sets of 12 reps, bicycle crunches, 3 sets of 15 reps, cool down, 5 to 10 minutes of stretching. Day 3, warm-up, 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, deadlifts, 3 sets of 12 reps, shoulder press, 3 sets of 10 reps, seated rows, 3 sets of 12 reps, Russian twists, 3 sets of 15 reps, cool down, 5 to 10 minutes of stretching. Intermediate muscle building workout, 4 days a week. Day 1, upper body, warm-up, 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, bench press, 4 sets of 8 reps, pull-ups, 4 sets of 6 reps, dumbbell flies, 3 sets of 10 reps, bicep curls, 3 sets of 12 reps, tricep dips, 3 sets of 12 reps, cool down, 5 to 10 minutes of stretching. Day 2, lower body, warm-up, 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, squats, 4 sets of 8 reps, deadlifts, 4 sets of 8 reps, leg press, 3 sets of 10 reps, calf raises, 3 sets of 15 reps, cool down, 5 to 10 minutes of stretching. Day 3, rest or active recovery. Day 4, upper body. Repeat day 1 workout. Day 5, lower body. Repeat day 2 workout. Day 6, cardio and core. Warm up 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio. Height 20 minutes, for example, sprints, jump rope. Planks 3 sets of 1 minute. Leg raises 3 sets of 15 reps. Cool down 5 to 10 minutes of stretching. Day 7, rest. To succeed in your fitness journey, stay consistent. Track your progress, listen to your body, and ensure proper nutrition and hydration. Remember, the journey to fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay motivated, and enjoy the process. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workout routines. Let's achieve our fitness goals together.